Hi folks, my name is Mark McGranahan and I am a full-time pastor and part-time hobby machinist, as well as a big fan of NYCNC and John Saunders, as well as Edge Precision and Pete Staunton and their work and videos on YouTube. And I thought I would share some video of me making my first real part on my new to me 1999 Hurco BMC2416 machining center. I hope you enjoy this video. So here I am just trying to dial in the Z0 for my part. Now on this Hurco, it's really great because you can build a tool library and you set all of the tools to a place on your machine. I used a 1-2-3 block on the 2-inch side, set them all to that, and then set one tool to a part offset and all of the tools in your. Now I'm going to just double check the tool that I'm actually going to use on this piece to make sure that the offset took correctly.
What was that spindle speed?
That was my son Luke's amazement at hearing the high-speed spindle for the first time. Eventually here I hope to get my flood coolant setup all put together, but right now I'm just using a mister with a little bit of vegetable oil. It actually gave a very nice finish on the aluminum, does a good job of lubricating the tool, though it doesn't do as good a job of cooling as a water-based system would. So on this cut here, I'm just using about a .248 ball mill to cut the lettering on this piece. I'm running this video here at 4 times actual speed, and I know I can push this machine a lot faster than I am, but being that this is one of the first parts I've cut with it, I decided to just take it easy and be very careful that I don't break any tools or throw away any parts, or worse yet, crash my machine. Now I've got a 1/2-inch carbide 45-degree end chamfer tool. I'm just going around and cutting a chamfer on this piece. I had the precision cornering setting on the machine turned on, which is why the machine slows down so much around every corner and every time I did a letter that had a curve in it. So I'm sure I could get faster cutting speed around those corners if I turn off that precision setting. Now I'm using that same chamfer tool just to spot drill for the screws that will hold it to the wall. So here's a picture of the final product after I was all done with the machining. And one of the things I hate about machining videos is when they don't show the final product or don't explain how it works. So I'm going to try and do that on every video that I post of me machining stuff. Anyhow, this part was all programmed using Hurco's conversational programming on an Ultimax 4 system. And again, that's a 1999 era machine running, ironically, a Windows 95 computer base in it, and still using 3.5-inch floppy disks. I never thought I'd use those again, but I sure am. So anyhow, I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm really pleased with how the little sign turned out here. And hope to have some more videos here soon for you. Thanks so much for stopping by. God bless. I hope you have a great rest of your day.